Hey everybody, Aaron Dillon here from AG Dillon & Co. Instacart cuts its internal valuation. Plaid lays off 20% of staff. And electric motorcycle biz Stark Future raises $53 million. All this for the week ending 30 December 2022. All right, pre-IPO companies first. Large pre-IPO companies first, Instacart, the online grocery and delivery service, cut its internal valuation by 20% to $10 billion this week. The company last raised at $39 billion valuation of March of 21. So this new internal valuation is 74% lower than its last primary financing round about a year and a half ago. Companies that offer option plans are required to complete a 409A valuation by the IRS annually to set the fair market value of their stock. Third parties are required to complete these 409A valuations, and startups may also adjust their internal stock price on their own as a way to kind of stay competitive in recruiting. Who wants to join a company and get options at this exercise price that's way out of the money, like over 50% plus. The company resets the option price at kind of the current market value. It's a much more competitive or attractive for employees that want to get recruited. Instacart's primed to IPO. They were ready to go before the downturn here and probably should have went. I believe that once the market turns up, we're going to see these guys go public. I'm really interested to see what valuation they're going to go at. All right, Gopuff, the convenience store delivery app, has partnered with Openbay Plus to help Gopuff's delivery drivers save on auto services. Openbay Plus provides drivers with upfront pricing on repairs and maintenance services. Drivers can book appointments with nearby service professionals that offer up to 25% discounts on parts and labor. Gopuff looking out for their driver partners, which is I have to imagine there's a lot of competition. I know in New York, these folks are kind of delivering for multiple companies. The company has $15 billion valuation of the last primary capital raise in July of 2021. Plaid, the financial data aggregation and compliance solution, laid off 20% of its staff in early December. It appears that most of the cuts will come from their engineering team. Zach Parrott, Plaid's CEO, said the following in a letter to employees: "The simple reality is that due to these macroeconomic changes, our pace of cost growth outstripped our pace of revenue growth. I made the decision to hire and invest ahead of the revenue growth, and the current economic slowdown has meant that this revenue growth did not materialize as quickly as expected." Plaid has a $13 billion valuation as the last primary financing round in April of 21. All right, a few notable capital raises this past week. It was a slow week, as you might expect, being between the Christmas and New Year holiday. Stark Future makes electric motorcycles. The Varge is the name of their motorcycle. It's an off-road dirt bike. I'm not much of a motorcycle guy, but man, these things look like super sweet. The bike costs $12,900 each, and if you order one today, you'll get your bike in June of 2024. Not a mistake. That's 18 months ago for wait time, which I think is nuts. That's a long time. So maybe this capital raise will help shorten the delivery time. Stark raised $53 million Series A at a $510 million post-money valuation this week. And then Form Mobility is a subscription-based electric commercial truck solution for businesses. These guys let a company subscribe and have access to electric trucks that are stored and maintained at a centralized facilities. Drivers pick up the trucks in the morning, make the deliveries, and then return the trucks at night for charging and maintenance. They currently operate in San Francisco and Los Angeles areas. And Form raised $12 million at a $63 million valuation. It's a 91% increase over its seed round in December of 21, 13 months ago. It was a Series A that they just raised here this week. And three more real quick. Pallidus is a silicon carbide wafer company. I had to look this up. So those are used as inputs to power semiconductors. They raised $74 million at a $314 million valuation. That's up 249% versus its prior round 15 months ago. TikTok, it's an Australian digital home loan company. It's not the social media platform. Not sure why you'd pick the exact same name as the social media platform, but they raised $50 million Series D at a $230 million valuation. And Aro Biotherapeutics is a company focused on RNA and DNA-based drugs. It raised $24 million Series B. That's a 79% increase versus its Series A in November of 21. All right, visit agdillon.com for more pre-IPO stock research. This week in pre-IPO stocks is a part of AG Dillon & Co., a venture capital asset manager. Give me a shout to learn how you can invest in the pre-IPO stocks through our venture capital funds built specifically for individuals and financial advisors.